This is just a quick video to show how to install and uninstall the clips on the Hastings pools. For the 10-foot pool, you can just put it anywhere around the edge except for where the indentations are, and then snap it on. Get it off, you just pull it out a little bit on the inside and rotate it back off. On the 8-foot pools, you would install it right there where that is. So you would put it on in the same way. Go here, rotate it, clip it on. Now you can install the 10-foot ones here as well. They just move a little bit more, or they can move a little bit more. Reverse the process again to get it off. And then to install the accessories, once you've got the clip on, strap it on. Sometimes they're a little hard to get off, but they will come off.